Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect your mobile phone hotspot to your laptop. So let's begin our video. First of all, you just need to swipe down and then there have an option hotspot icon you can see. So you just need to long press it. Right now you just need to turn it on portable hotspot. There have another option set up portable hotspot, select it. Right now there have an option for network name, you can change it, as well as there have another option for password you can see, as well as you can change it. So after change, just select it. So right now my portable hotspot on my mobile phone already completed setup. Right now you just need to go back on your laptop. On the right hand corner you can see there have a Wi-Fi icon or network icon. You just need to select it and then select your mobile phone hotspot. Here you can see my net, select it, give your password and connect it. So here you can see my hotspot, mobile phone hotspot already connected on my laptop. It's pretty easy and simple. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.